Hello, my name is Jasmine from Little London Ballet. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the ragtime step. The first thing is a shuffle. Take your foot up to the back and forward and back. Make sure you use your toe tap. These are your toe taps. The next bit is very easy, it's just hop. Now let's put them together. Now shuffle, hop, step. After, you're gonna do tap springs. The fourth time round, you ball change stamp. Now let's do it all together. Well done, everybody. All you need to do is keep practicing.